Hey everybody, welcome to A Bit of Birdsong. My name is Lynn. I'm so glad to have you here. I have a little bit of a haul and I wanted to just share some things I picked up today. This is one of my favorite types of things. I love bowls, and I mean, you can really only have so many. A lot of these I don't and would not use in the kitchen. Some of them are so old, I don't know that they're dishwasher safe. And this one has got some beautiful staining. You can kind of see some residue where I pulled the tag off, and I need to clean that up a little bit more. But I am in love with this color. I just love things like this. I love the old, well-worn and used look. And I really love Victorian. I love a bit of shabby. I'm kind of eclectic in that way. I like a little bit of, sort of a Gothic Victorian look. But this was only 99 cents. And I just thought, to sit on the desk and put beads in or whatever, it's going to be beautiful. I also picked up a really cute little bracelet for 99 cents. And the main thing I wanted was the little frames on here. So you can see that. Really, really cute. They look like glass beads. And they're really pretty. And then there are 4 little frames on here with some sort of picture inside. I don't think it can be replaced. At least it doesn't look to me like you can, and I don't know that I even want to. I'm just working on a series of journals, and I thought it would be cute to put one of these on each of the 4 journals. I also found some beautiful stationery, and it's never been opened. Nature's Garden, Creative Papers by C.R. Gibson, 1996. So I think I just want to open these and take a look. I might be using some of this for my August Patreon pen pal mail. I love finding things like this. Ooh, so it's really pretty and really nice quality. I'm really happy about that. I found a stack of manila folders as well. Ooh, that rubber band's really tight. That's a big rubber band. I will put that with my collection of rubber bands. I go through a lot of file folders. One of my favorite types of journal is the one signature journal with a file folder that's then covered in fabric. I really think that's my favorite kind to work in. So I do go through a lot of those. I'm happy about all of this. I found, I spent $5 and found some really pretty things. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back really soon with a video about a journal that I made for just one journal entry. So it was really a journaling session. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.